my channel, Find Your Math. Today we are going to talk about LCM just like we did in our previous video. In our previous video we found out that the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. But today we want to find out, what if we don't have these small numbers given to us and we have such big numbers and they have told us to find their LCM? In this case, we're not going to fill our books or papers or anything with multiples and multiples and multiples. Mathematics found us a simpler way of finding the LCM using a tabulation method. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to draw 3 columns, one for one of our numbers, 150, 120, and this column goes for the divisor. The divisor is not any number out of the blue. It's supposed to be a prime factor. In our previous video, we found out that a prime factor is a number that can only be divisible by 1 and itself. And the first prime factor is 2. So we are going to begin by dividing these numbers by 2. When you divide by 2, 2 into 120, we get 60. 2 into 150, we get 75. So that's our first row. Then we are going to divide 2 again into these numbers because we still have a number that's divisible by 2. We don't care about the other one that's not divisible yet. So we divide by 2 again. 2 into 60, that will give us 30. Since 75 is not divisible by 2, we just let it be. Just leave it there, just like it is. Then we divide again, because 2 can still divide the 30. 2 into 30, that will give us 15. This will still remain 75. Since 2 cannot divide any of these other numbers that are left, we are going to go to the second prime factor, that is 3. 3 can divide both 15 and 75 at the same time, so we shall put 3 there. 3 into 15, that will give us 5. 3 into 75, that will give us 25. Then we proceed. 3 does not divide both 5 and 25, so it cannot be used in this case. We proceed to the next prime factor, that is 5. 5 can also divide these two numbers, so we shall put it there as our next divisor. 5 into 5, that's 1. 5 into 25, that's 5. We cannot leave this number hanging, so we also have to divide it by 5 again. 5 into 1, that will remain as a 1. Then 5 into 5, that's a 1. The moment you remain with 1 and 1 as your last numbers here, that means your factorization is complete. So we shall multiply these numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 and times 5 to get the LCM of 120 and 150, which will be 600 if you multiply all that. Thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe, and I'll join you on in my next segment. Thank you very much.